If you're over 40, it's time to start paying increased attention to your health. Here are 5 supplements that every man over 40 should consider taking to maintain health, vitality, and youthful energy. 1. Vitamin D. New research has shown that a large percentage of American men suffer from a vitamin D deficiency. One of the best sources of this vitamin is direct sunlight, so if you work indoors or live in an area that doesn't get a lot of rays, you may be especially susceptible. Lack of vitamin D can weaken your immune system, lead to cognitive deficiencies, and cause fatigue. Consider supplementing with 2000 IU per day of a high-quality vitamin D supplement for optimal health. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a well-known nutritional supplement for a reason. Not only a super antioxidant, but vitamin C also helps build healthy connective tissue, strengthens the immune system, and wards off the hardening of the arteries that can lead to heart attacks. To get enough vitamin C, you should be eating plenty of citrus fruits, or drinking citrus juices. But you can supplement with 100 to 200 milligrams per day for general health and go up to 1000 or 2000 milligrams per day during flu and cold season. 3. Fish oil. The fatty acids found in fish can help your heart stay strong and reduce your bad cholesterol levels, both very important for men as they age. With strong anti-inflammatory properties, this supplement can also help your skin look great and your joints feel younger. There are a number of fish oil supplements available on the market, and, if you're vegetarian, algae oil has many of the same benefits. 4. Creatine. If losing muscle mass is one of your top concerns as you age, you should consider taking creatine supplements. Creatine is made by the body and is made up of 3 amino acids that supply energy to your cells. If you're deficient, it may lead to muscle fatigue and make it more difficult to retain or build lean muscle. Creatine can be taken in pill or powder form, and experts recommend supplementing with 3 to 4 grams per day. 5. Glutamine. If you're having trouble losing fat and building muscle, glutamine may be a good addition to your supplementation routine. Not only does glutamine help muscle recovery during exercise, but it also helps you absorb protein effectively. 2 grams per day can increase your growth hormones by 400%, a pretty staggering factor for those men suffering from declining levels of testosterone. The process of aging does not have to wreak havoc on your body. Before you jump to the conclusion that you need testosterone therapy to regain your energy and health, try one of the above 5 supplements and gauge your results.